Cooperation with KAHA started already many years ago, and during this time we supplied a lot of different kind of solutions for them. For example, pallet tracking, multi-tier and machines. Goal of this project was to get all machines to the same place, save space, get more efficient picking and clear whole picking process.
It's a simple machine to use and very easy to learn how to use the machine, and it's fast.
What I like about this machine is that it's very easy and very simple to use.